Hey Axie Infinity holders, what's up? How are you? Hope you're fine now. So guys, welcome back to another video about Axie Infinity. In this video, I'm talking about the future plan of the Axie Infinity. What's the future plan? Is it the future the price of the Axie Infinity will pump or dump? So let me show you guys, but click the subscribe button now for more news and updates videos about Axie Infinity. Now guys, the currently live price of the Axie Infinity in the market is 67.84 USD dollar. That is the currently price of the Axie Infinity in the market. And guys, furthermore, if we talk about the changes occurring in the Axie Infinity, so the last 1 hour, last 1 day, changes occurring in the Axie Infinity in the market is negative. In the last latest situation, last 1 week, changes of the Axie Infinity as positive. Positive 2.13%. The price changes of the Axie Infinity is positive, and except after last 1 week, the latest situation of the Axie Infinity is completely wrong. So a lot of people message me that when there's a possibility that the price will pump. So guys, let me show you when the price of Axie Infinity will pump. Now guys, that is the last 1 month price chart of the Axie Infinity, and if you look the highest price of the Axie Infinity, so 79, and the live price 67, so that is really a big loss on Axie Infinity holders. But don't worry, you can see here guys, especially in the August, the Axie Infinity taken a quick jump. But guys, you can see here now in the latest situation, the price falls down. So guys, don't worry about this fast. I believe that this fast is temporary fast, and after 1 week fast, the price will again pump. After 1 week fast, the price will again pump. So don't do this mistake and don't take it serious. Just hold for a long time. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos.